major, baby.
Hard work and dedication get you to the major leagues. I'm just trying to win, I be wondering why they hate on me. Stayed down till we came up, ain't nobody wanna save up. Ain't nobody pay the way for us, made for me. Hard work and dedication get you in the major leagues. I'm just trying to win, I be wondering why they hate on me. Stayed down till we came up, ain't nobody wanna save up.
What's up, you guys? Back with another video. Pretty bittersweet of a video, but for you to do not know, back to Florida. So I'm spending the last couple of days packing things up. Still gotta tackle my office. I'm gonna miss this office because I ain't got an office in my house in Florida. But you know, neither here nor there. I always can get an office. I always can upgrade. But yeah, going through moving stuff, man. It's a bittersweet moment. You know, I'm excited and I'm sad at the same time. I hate to leave, but you know, I got a lot of opportunities and things that I want to do back in Florida. So cleaning out my garage now. Got a set of tires, Corvette tires on the back of the truck. About to put the Jeep tires on the back, move all the stuff out of the garage and the truck first, and then I'm moving inside. So I had to go ahead and stop real quick on Jeepers. Had to stop real quick and let you guys know what's going on, you know. So you will not be seeing Vet Boy in Texas anymore. The Vet's already gone, the Jeep is already gone. You know, Florida, I'm in your chest. You know, my Florida people, look out for me, you know what I'm saying? About to make some waves down that way. Start some new things, some car wraps, custom car wraps, all that good stuff, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, let me get back to work, get this truck loaded up, packed up. I'm trying to leave tomorrow evening. I want to drive at night. This is a big truck. I don't want to be on the road with a lot of cars. So I think I'm gonna drive this truck at night and try to get there. The office is pretty much done, so. Let's show y'all this. Gotta get that up out of here too. Show you guys this progress. This progression. So, as you know, I've been at this by myself. You know, my fiance did help me get the desk on. But other than that, I'm gonna show you all this stuff, man. Look at this truck. And I got all this on here by myself. Dresser, couch, bar, day bed, queen bed, TV, another dresser, my desk, my fiance did help me with that. What else is back there? Grill, my tires, wheels, car parts, my toolboxes. So I still gotta get the dining table, one more couch, a dresser, 2 nightstands, and a king size bed. Think I got enough room for all that? I think so. I think I do. Anyway, it's gonna get done. It's gonna get on here. You know, still gotta get like some bins to get like the rest of the clothes and stuff. But I'm pretty sure we can stack that somewhere. We got enough room. We definitely got enough room. But yeah, man, I've been doing it for myself, man. It's a DIY challenge, so yeah, I mean, you couldn't expect anything, you know, less, you know, than me getting out here after doing it myself, not hiring any movers, not, you know, asking anyone to come over and help me. You know, nobody likes to help people move. Nobody likes to move. So I'm just knocking out myself. It's all good. You know, but when I do get to Florida, I am gonna ask my guys to come on out and help me get this stuff up off the truck. Cause I ain't taking 2 days to get this stuff off. It take me about 2 days to get it on. I'm trying to do this in less than 4 hours to get it off. But yeah, that's what we got going on, man. I'm gonna put this camera down, get back to work, get this stuff knocked out. So we can get on this road back to Florida. Please. First stop on the way home. Truck stop. First time getting diesel. First time parking over here with a big truck. Take it. Fill it at all. 125. Pretty good. Go back inside, check with the cashier. Since he didn't take it off. See if they're gonna go about that. I think boy, it was tough. Took out my like 3.5 hours left. But it's hard driving at night, man. I chose to start to drive at night. This car's on the road. I got the big truck, but I'm actually handling it pretty good. So I probably should have left in the morning because that night, man, kicked my butt. I ain't been sleeping over 24 hours. I had to take 2 phenamine pills, my diet pills, so I took one before I started the trip. And I just took another one like an hour ago, and the second one just kicked in, man. I didn't think I was gonna make it. But now that it kicked in, man, I'm rolling now. I'm good. I'm geeked up right now. I'm geeked up right now. So, checking my gauges, make sure everything good. Everything look good. Get up out of here, man. Almost there.
What is this?
Almost there.
I'm actually going to put that
Big one truck.
Yo, I can tell you.
Finally made it down here to Bristol. I'll go drop this truck off at my parents' house. Like I said, I got 3 more days with it anyway, but I ain't about to unload nothing. I'm tired, I'm sleepy. It's been a long drive. So I'm signing out, man. I'll catch y'all later on if I go fishing today. I am down in Florida. Finally made it. Unpacking, got the house packed, unpacked for the most part. But I had to come out here to my parents' house out here in Crawfordville because I'm about to do something a little bit shocking to some of you guys, and a lot of people tell me not to, but I'm about to unwrap my car. Got something else I want to do with it. I know the Joker is, you know, loved by a lot, hated by many, but I got another idea that I want to go with it. So I'm about to start this peel, and not gonna peel the whole thing, just some things. I want some of this white to be showing on my car. So I'm about to go ahead and peel it because I'm gonna rewrap it anyway, and see what happens.